Have you ever placed a perfect dot on a curved surface and watched it slowly slide down and ruin your design? This is one of the most frustrating problems in dot mandala art, especially on tea light holder, pot, vase, and rounded MDF, and the turtle I am working on. But don't worry, today I am going to show you a super simple hack that will stop your dot from flowing and helping you get perfect stable dot every single time. So let's fix this together. Hello everyone, welcome back to Creations by Sulagna. If you have ever tried creating a dot mandala on curved surface, you have probably noticed one of the frustrating problem. You placed a very beautiful dot and within a few seconds it slowly starts sliding down. Instead of staying perfectly round, it stretches, loses its shape, and sometimes even joins the very next dot. If this has happened to you, don't worry, you are not doing anything wrong. Today I'm going to share a very simple hack that has helped me create clean, beautiful dot even on curved surface using Deco Art acrylic paint. Let's get started. First, let's understand why this happens. Deco art paint have a very beautiful fluid consistency, which makes them wonderful for dot mandala on flat surface. But on curved surface, gravity start working against us. Because of the paint, it quite fluid. The dot slowly flows down before it has a chance to dry. That's why your dot become oval instead of perfectly round. So what's the solution? Instead of changing the paint completely, I simply make it little thicker. For this, I am using Liquitex Super Heavy Gel Medium. There are gel medium also you can use. For super heavy gel, so this is a bottle I have been using for last 2 years. It's still there. You just need to add a little bit of it to the Deco Art paint. You don't need to add a lot. Start with using a very tiny amount and mix it thoroughly. The goal is not to make the paint stiff. We just want to increase its body so it holds its shape better. Now let's compare. Here I am using the original paint. You can already notice how the dot slowly starts moving downward on the curved surface. Now here is the same color mix with a little Liquitex gel medium. See the difference. The dots start exactly where I place it. It keeps it round shape and gives me much better control. One more important tip is don't add too much gel medium. If you make this paint too thick, it won't release smoothly from your dotting tool. Instead of getting nice rounded dot, you will get pointed top and uneven dot. So always add a little by little until you find the consistency that works for you. Think of it adjusting the paint and not completely changing it. Another tip is to work in section. Instead of rotating the piece continuously, complete one side first. Allow it to settle for a few minutes before turning it. This gives the paint enough time to start drying and reduce the chance of dot moving. Also remember, every color behaves a little differently. Some pigments are naturally thinner, for example, the yellow one. So don't assume one mixing ratio will work for every color. Always test your paint on a spare curved surface before starting your final work. It only takes a minute and it can save you from ruining hours of work. This small change completely transformed the way I walk on curved surface. Now I don't worry about my dot sliding anymore and I can focus on creating clean symmetrical mandala. Sometimes it's not about buying new paints or expensive tools. It's simply about understanding your paint consistency and making a small adjustment. I hope this little hack help you in your own mandala journey. If you have ever struggled with dot flowing on your curved surface, let me know in comments. I would love to hear about your experience. And if you found this tip useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with another mandala artist who might need this trick. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next tutorial. Happy dotting!